Welcome back. Today we're not going to do anything directly related to the truck. I'm getting the shop ready for aluminum. The biggest thing we do right now is steel. Steel's all magnetic. So I have a bunch of these magnetic clamps. Like these are small ones pulled off the wall. I got big ones. I have just everything's relatively magnetic based. So where I used to be able to kind of cheat the system, just throw a magnet on the welding table, slide it up to the side of it, get it roughly square. With aluminum, you can't do that. You have to figure out where clamps. You have to clamp everything. I already have a lot of clamps, but I need a little more specialized clamping. So I have clamps like this. I got a couple of these. These are really light duty, but they're good for squaring up things. Combine these with the Fireball tool clamps I have. This should do just what I need to do. Yes, these are really light and dinky. Aluminum is not that heavy, and I'm not going to be using this to, square up something that's 10 foot by 10 foot. It's going to be something for small jigging up type jobs. The next thing I have to worry about is I'm going to make a different type of clamp, almost like a portable vise. It's going to be made really, really simply. I have 2 pieces of stainless steel angle scrap from work, pulled out of the scrap bin, and then they had 2 sets of these studs. Some put, drill 1, 2 holes, bolt. Myself a little mobile clamp vise I can clamp into something. Then I can use the sides to make things square. It'll be pretty useful, I think, in the long run. And before we get going on the actual cutting and drilling and all that stuff, which today's going to be a really short build, it's going to be basically drilling 4 holes, see how it fits. I have officially retired the rubber band camera stand. I say officially retired. Let's put him on furlough. He might be coming back up to do a second mount or something like that. Got a little ring light with an actual camera mount. So, a little better light now. I can actually use my original lamp. You can see this has been close to welding. The lens is all pitted and burned from welding sparks and stuff over the years, but it's about a good use out of it. Okay, let's get drilling. That's a hell of a burn. That's it, guys. It's a simple little field clamp. Super simple. Now, you might be asking 2 questions. A, why aren't I doing something with the truck itself? Today is Sunday. On Tuesday, it's going to the shop to get its lift on. I don't want to be messing around with cutting parts on it or anything with it. I just want it to be good to go. Go to the shop. It's getting a Carly backcountry 2.5 lift, so it'll be good. Then I gotta get tires and stuff like that. Other question is, so dum-dum, why weren't you running some gloves with your belt sander? That's would have prevented this where's that little burn on my thumb. You weigh your options. Simply put, weigh your options. It's pretty painful to burn yourself occasionally or bump the sanding pad, the sander, and just you see this skin go gone. But if you run gloves, the belt's going down. It grabs the glove and pulls your hand in. You'll be, short fingers. I'd much rather get a nasty little burn or a chunk of skin just puff away. You will see me wearing gloves while running the belt sander. I weigh my options. If there's like a lot of sharp edges where I'm probably gonna cut myself if I move it around too much, or it's still really hot, I'll wear gloves, but I stay very far away from the belt if I can. But yeah, so that's your options. I mean, basic rotating equipment. Try not to wear gloves or rings or necklaces. I don't wear any of that necklace stuff anyway. Yeah, it's a lot better to get cut than to get a nasty compound fracture or amputation. So anyway, catch you guys later.